So, multiplying fractions is different than adding and subtraction, okay? So you need to, put adding and subtraction away. Not forget about it, just put it away. And we're going to multiply and divide next, and they're going to be a little bit different, okay? Okay, step number 1, you're actually going to start with simplify. Okay? And if you look over there and you don't have it, where's your work, Mandana? Go ahead and get your work. Okay, grab a pencil. Do you have a pencil handy? I'll give you a pencil really quick. I need you to copy the simplify that I have there, just like you see it, okay? So go ahead and copy that right in that spot, okay? Because what it's saying is that you can simplify top to bottom and across diagonally, okay? Yeah, copy. You turn it around, okay? There you go. Okay. So you simplify top to bottom, but you can simplify top to bottom across. But you never ever are gonna do top to top or bottom to bottom, okay? You are not going to do top to top or bottom to bottom, okay? You're still gonna copy that. Let me remove that, okay? Okay. Okay, so what I want you to make sure that you understand is that these three are yes, okay? You can do. This one is no, you cannot do. Do you understand that? Okay? So, let's go ahead and work on some problems, and we'll go over the steps together, okay? The steps, again, you simplify, then you're going to multiply across, and then you're going to simplify again if you need to, okay? So, I'm looking for a problem we can do. Okay, this is a good one, okay? Do you see number 12, Brian, right there? Okay? We're going to work on this problem right now, okay? So, what we have here is 6 over 10 times 1 over 4. Before we start, okay? And I'm going to remove the circle, okay? Before we start, we're going to go ahead and simplify, okay, the fractions. What can you simplify there?
By 2.
By 2, right? So you can do it both ways. I want to show you the new way, okay? You can simplify this way, okay? Why? Because it's top and bottom, right? Do you see that, Brian? Okay, so what's 6 divided by 2, Brian? 3 over 10. Multiply 1 over 2, right? Can we simplify more?
10.
10 and 3 you cannot simplify. And you cannot simplify 10 and 2 either, because they're across each other, right? Remember when I said you cannot simplify 10 and 2 because they're across each other, bottom and bottom. You cannot do bottom and bottom. You cannot do top to top, okay? Good question, though. I'm glad you mentioned it. So, now we're going to multiply across. What's 3 times 1?
2.
3?
Huh?
No, multiply, not minus. What's 10 times 2?
20.
20, right?
20.
Okay, not divide. We're multiplying, okay? So the answer is 3 over 20. Can we simplify 3 over 20?
No.
No, right? So we're done. Okay, let's do more problems. Don't worry, we'll do a few, okay? Trying to find a good one. Okay, do you see number 9 over there, guys?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to do this one, okay? So it's 2 over 5 multiplied 2 over 4. What can we simplify here?
4 and 2.
4 and 2, right? And what do we divide them by?
By 2.
By 2, right? Brian, do you see that? Do you see that you can simplify those two? Okay. What's 2 times, what is 2 divided by 2?
1.
1, okay. And then the other one is what?
2.
2, right? And then we have to copy the other fraction, which was 2 over 5, right? Can we simplify more? Can we simplify again?
2 and 2.
Brian, what can we simplify now?
Times 2.
Divided by 2, right? Okay. Okay, so what is 2 divided by 2?
1.
1, so we have 1 over 5 times 1 over 1, right? And what we're going to be doing, we're going to multiply across. What's 1 times 1?
1.
And what's 5 times 1?
5.
5. Can we simplify that?
No.
No? Okay. Work on one more, and then after that, if you want to do it on your own, you can do it on your own, okay? Hold on. Okay, we have, let's do 11. 7 over 10 times 2 over 3. Can we simplify this?
10 and 2.
10 and 2. Brian, do you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so what can we do there, Brian, to simplify it?
Do it by 5.
By 5? Can we do by 5 on the 2?
No.
Think about it. What can you divide there? You told me 5, right? 5 is the answer, but how do we get 5? What do we have to do? Ten divided by what is 5?
By
2, right? Okay, and what do you do over here?
2.
Okay, so we're going to put the 7 here. 2 goes into 2 how many times?
4.
No, divide.
What?
2
Oh,
divided by
1.
2 is 1, okay? And then we have the same thing on the bottom, right? 3, right? So now, what's 7 times 1?
7.
Over 15. Okay? Mandana, I think you're good, right? Okay? You want to sit down? Brian, do you want to do one more? Okay. Thank you, Mandana. Okay, so this is coming from Mr. Milmo's head, okay? Say that you have 3 over 8 times 2 over 6, okay? You following me? Okay, so we need to be able to simplify, okay? So, what can we simplify there?
By 2.
I'm sorry? Divide by 2? Okay, so we're going to divide by 2 here. And then we're going to divide by 2 where? Here or here? Actually, it will work on both sides, right? You want to do the 8? Okay. So we're going to do the 8. Okay.
The same answer? The same answer?
You can divide. You divide 2 times. 1 time on the top and 1 time on the bottom, right? So since we picked the top on this side and we did this bottom one, we cannot go back and do 6, okay? You following me? Okay, so we have to stick with 1 only, okay? 1 on the bottom. So the top, you said 2 divided by 2 goes how many times?
1.
1, right? Okay, so we're gonna have 1 over, okay, so this is 1. 2 goes into 8 how many times? I'm sorry?
4.
4, right? So this is 4 times, I'm sorry, oh, wrong. Do you see what Mr. Milmo did? Do you see the problem? Okay, I wrote it wrong, okay? Okay, my bad. Okay, so 2 goes into 2 1 time we said, right? 2 goes into 8 4 times, correct? So now we're going to rewrite it. It's 3 over 4 times 1 over 6. Can we simplify more, Brian? Can we simplify more?
No.
Okay, look across. Look top and bottom.
Oh, yeah.
What? You can do 3, okay? How many times does 3 go into 3?
1.
1, okay? And then 6 into 3? 2. So we're going to rewrite it. 1 over 4 times 1 over 2, okay? Then we're going to multiply across. You have 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 2 is 8. It's a little bit hard, right? Okay, let's do one more, okay? Okay, so how can we simplify this one?
By 2.
By 2, okay, so I see that you have 2 over here. Where is the other 2? On the 6, you pointed to the 6, okay, good. 6 goes into 2 how many times?
3.
3, okay. And then 2 goes into 12 how many times?
6.
6. So we're going to come back and rewrite it, okay? So we have 5 over 6 times 3 over 15, okay? Now, what else can we do?
That's like 6.
Okay, so what do we divide here?
By 3.
By 3. And then we go where? On the top, right, because we remember we do top and bottom only, okay? Good. So 3 goes into 3 how many times?
1.
Okay? And 3 goes into 6 how many times?
2.
2, right? Okay, so let's rewrite. Okay, we're going to rewrite. We have 5 over 2, right? Times 1 over 15. Are we done? Or can we simplify more?
1.
Think about it. Remember, you can simplify.
Oh,
You,
by 3.
not by 3. Remember, Brian, you can simplify by going this direction as well. You can simplify going that direction. And you can simplify going that direction. So, look at the 5 and the 15. What can we do?
By 3.
By 3. Can 5 go into 3? I mean, can 3 go into 5? No, right?
2.
I said 3 no. So what else do you have left? You have 5, Brian, okay? 5 times what is 15? Okay? And 5 goes into 5 how many times? 1, right? So you're going to go ahead and rewrite it, okay? And you're going to have 1 over 2 times 1 over 3. What is the answer if you multiply across?
1 over 6.
1 over 6. Okay? Go practice it a little bit, okay? What I'm going to do, I am stop.